In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Open the official Microsoft site and sign in with your own account so you can access PowerPoint online, or launch the desktop app. Once you're on the PowerPoint homepage, choose Create Blank Presentation. That takes you straight into the editing workspace where you'll build your slides. Let's set up your background. Right-click anywhere on the empty slide background and open the background settings. Expand the option next to solid fill, then pick a color you like. As soon as you choose it, your slide background updates immediately, which is a quick way to establish a theme or brand color. Next, add an image. Go to Insert, select Pictures, then choose this device. Browse your files, pick a photo, and click Open. The image will land on your slide. To resize it cleanly, drag from a corner handle so it keeps its proportions. Use the alignment guides that appear to center or line it up with other elements for a polished look. PowerPoint may show design suggestions on the right side, often called Designer. Scroll through those ideas and choose a layout that complements your content. When you see one you like, click it to apply. You can change your mind anytime, so feel free to explore until you find a style that fits. Now add your title, click the title placeholder, type your text, then select it. Choose a font that matches the tone of your presentation. Adjust the font size using the size dropdown, and if you want to change color, use the font color menu to pick a shade that stands out against your background. Good contrast helps your audience read at a glance. To add another slide, go to Insert and click New Slide. This gives you a fresh canvas for your second page, and you can repeat the same process to build out your content. From the Insert menu, you can add a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click what you need and it will appear on the slide, ready to position and format. When you're ready to add movement between slides, select the Transitions tab, browse the options, and pick a transition you like. Keep it consistent and subtle so it enhances your message without distracting from it. And that's it. You've searched for PowerPoint, signed in, created a blank presentation, customized your background, inserted images, refined your design and text, added new slides with rich content, and applied transitions. You're ready to build a clean, professional presentation from start to finish.